Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2023 Toyota Tacoma? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse box houses essential fuses and relays that protect and control major vehicle systems, including the engine and headlights. It is designed for easy access and maintenance, typically located near the battery. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box protects essential interior electrical components like power windows, dashboard lights, and the infotainment system. It is conveniently located under the dashboard or near the glove box for easy access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.